So you saw what we did on the wheels. We coated them with Cerakote's tungsten finish. We also continued that into the chassis with the control arms, the link bars, the rear end. Now we're going to be taking it to the engine. So we're doing these valve and coil covers from Holley. It's got the classic kind of small block Chevrolet script, and we're going to be coating them in the tungsten Cerakote, just to kind of set things off, separate it out from the engine, because the engine is going to be all just blacked out. So we just got to scuff these down and start spraying. Just to make sure everything's clean, smooth, because it is a thin coat for the Cerakote, so we want to make sure everything's kind of nice and smooth. Otherwise, it's gonna show up, and we don't want that. A little wax and grease remover will take everything off, clean it all up. So spraying an air dry Cerakote is pretty much the same as your regular painting. Cerakote goes on pretty thin, so it should take just a couple quick coats. So you definitely want to be wearing a respirator just to make sure this stuff ain't going to go to your head. Watch out. A couple quick passes just to kind of get a good base going. Let it dry for a couple minutes and then start spraying again. So we got the engine all unmasked from painting it, pulled the tape off of the heads. So Holley has this really nice billet oil cap, just screws into the valve cover. And this is going to allow us access if we need to fill this up in the future. So next up we got these coils from Excel. We could relocate these, but obviously these valve and coil covers cover everything up and make it look nice and clean. Got these spacers on. Flip these over these coils. And it just kind of tucks everything away nicely. Got the opening for the coils to come out, and you got an opening up here for the harness to come out of. So vintage wire from I Did It makes these really cool classic wires for the spark plug. The crowd goes crazy, what up?